Today, my friends, we will be grilling up some Iberico pork, known as the Wagyu of pork. We'll talk more later about why this pork is so special. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, Iberico pork comes from the black Iberico pig, which is native to Spain and Portugal. So normally our pork is raised, lives one season, and then butchered. The black Iberico pig is allowed to live for 2 seasons, as it feeds on grains and nuts, and they are free-ranging. You add all these things together and you get some incredible marbling. So these Iberico pigs are cut different than what we're used to here in the United States. What we're cooking up today is 2 skirt steaks. Look at the marbling in that thing. And 2 hanger steaks. So how do you cook Iberico pork? Well, first of all, you do not cook it a degree above 145 if you want the absolute best flavor. Number 2, you want to get it out of your fridge and let it come up to room temperature before you put it on the grill. And then you want to make sure that you pat it good and dry so you can get a good sear on it. Now today I want that flavor to shine through, so all I'm doing is seasoning it with some SPG, and I'm using SPG from Spiceology. My Kamado Joe Big Joe Series 3 is heating up right now. So once we have this seasoned up, we're going to get it on the grill it hot and fast, and then give it a try. So that's what's next. We'll see you outside. All right, got the Kamado Joe heated up. This is going to be real simple. We're going to go 1.5 minutes on one side, flip it, another 1.5 minutes, and pull it off. It's real thin, and we don't want to get this a degree over 145, preferably 140, because we're going to let it rest for a little bit, and the temperature is going to come up. All right, and that's it. And then we'll take it inside. We're going to loosely tin it with foil, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then it'll be time for the test. We'll see you then. We're back inside. The rest is done. Let's get this carved up and find out how we did. We'll get a little piece of skirt steak ready for our judge and a little piece of flank steak. Let's bring in the judge, Evelyn. Alrighty, esteemed judge, this is the skirt steak, this is the flank steak.
Okay.
This is a special pig breed from Spain. What say you?
Personally, I think I like this one a little more than that one, just because, like, it's a little more tender than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that one's not, like, too mushy or anything. I just prefer this one because it has a little more tenderness. I think flavor-wise, they're both really good, but I just prefer that one over that one. But I think they are both cooked beautifully, and I think that both of their flavors are wonderful. So.
Okay, so different than normal pork to you, with all the extra marbling and everything?
Definitely different than normal pork, but it still has that, like, pork taste, so it's not like you're eating something completely different. But I think it's really good, and the flavors mix well with the type of meat that they are. They're cooked great, and overall, I just think they're good. All
right, there you go. Iberico pork. It is pricey, but I'll tell you what, in my opinion, it's worth it. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.